In these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace an engine valve cover that is cracked, excessively worn, rusted out, or otherwise defective. In this clip, we're going to talk about labeling your ignition wires. On this particular engine, it isn't really necessary, but on your particular engine, it may be. This is the 4-cylinder. As you can see, they just go in line like so. I like to use a paint marker. If you have one, great. If not, you may just want to put a piece of white tape or duct tape on the wires and label them in the order they go back. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. It's not necessary to label them in any particular order in reference to the distributor if your vehicle has one, as long as you can mark it and know where they're going to go back to. Like I said, I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, 4. Just say you did it and keep going.
And 4. And that is that. There are several other things that will have to come off in order to replace the valve cover. However, these do have to go back in the right order.